Hi, I'm Malrina, and in this episode, I'm going to talk about voice, structure, goal, and my experience and how I got through all of those. So, originally, the book goal was well, one, because everyone kept telling me, write it. But then after I started, my goal was okay, I'm going to get an agent, I'm going to go on the book tour, and I'm going to be famous and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I wrote the book, and in my mind, the conversation was I'm sitting down at the table, I'm flipping through my pictures, and I am telling you stories as I go through. So it's like, again, a scrapbook conversation at the kitchen table. That's what I wanted you as a reader to experience. In my mind, that worked by topic because that was how the questions were coming to me when I got back was by topic, not like tell me what you did and give me a synopsis of your trip as you went along. It was what was it like doing the language? What was it like doing this and that, right? So in my mind, the conversation was around topics, and that's how I structured it and how I wrote it. So when I finished it the first time, which took me forever to finish, but I did, the first version, I then had test readers and it came back. The feedback was, it's horrible, it's garbage, and just like don't quit your day job. Pretty much. So I shelved it for a long time because I was exhausted. I didn't really know. And in the middle of that, I changed goals slightly in the sense of what kind of book do you want to write? Do you want to write a travel book or do you want to write a memoir? And I got pressured into the memoir scape and it changed how I was writing. And by the time I got done, it was awful. And I certainly didn't feel comfortable putting it out into the world. So I shelved it for a long time. Came back and I'm like, okay, let me try it chronologically and see if that works. So I'm going to do another video on ghostwriting and that topic. So I'm going to flip forward and just talk about my writing experience and how I finished it. So I took about 4 months and I just started piecing it together like a puzzle. So if you would picture taking pages and cutting them up, paragraphs, and then rearranging them. And that's exactly what I did. And lo and behold, I only created about 1 or 2 pages of new content. And I also cut pages. So the book was actually there all along. I just had to restructure it. For the voice, again, I wanted to be conversational. I wanted to be like, we're sitting down having tea, coffee, wine, whatever and I'm telling you about my story and I'm showing you the pictures and that's it. Like that was my end goal. It wasn't to be like on some tour and all this stuff. At the end of the day, I wanted to finish the book as a personal goal just to finish it. I didn't want it to be one of those items where it's something I'd started and then didn't complete. No, that wasn't going to happen. So at the end of the day, that's what I did. I did it chronologically. And at the end, when I pieced it all together, I loved it. Now, am I going to win prizes for this? Probably not. Do I care? No, absolutely not. I don't care. I finished it. That was my goal. It's done. It's out there. And I'm proud of it. And I don't hesitate to have someone read it or to give it to someone to read or suggest it. I'm really happy with it. And so if you're wondering like what does your voice mean? I think you'll figure it out as you go along, but start with your goal and then go from there. Again, my goal changed and that's okay. I rewrote it and that's okay. You can rewrite as long as you want, as many times as you want. It doesn't matter as long as you finish it. That for me is the big goal at the end. If it's finished, then we'll go from there. More on editing and that stuff later coming up. And thanks for watching.